Tariq from UAE University, and today I joined the F&B Manufacturer Innovation Bootcamp. What was very exciting for me is how the manufacturers from all over UAE, let's say Al Islami Banks, Al Baraka, Al Macaroni Foods, Al Ain Farms, even many more came together in one roof to discuss the challenges, problems, and come up with some solutions. The products which we consume daily, it was very interesting to know how it is developed, starting from R&D until the end product. So one of the best things I benefited from it was networking, experience, and gaining knowledge.